we here we did not pass any value to the add word, second argument to the add word, so it will consider the second argument as a 1. By default it will pass it as a 1. So if it pass it, it will take the respective value. So string to lower, this method dollar word equal to, so we are converting the original word to be a lowercase. So this is a method which converts uppercase or lowercase to lowercase. Okay, now array underscore key underscore exist of dollar word comma this dot dollar word. So if the word with the array dollar word, if this key is already exist, if this key is already present in the word array, then it will increment the count of its value. So actually we are in a word array, we are storing the indexes as a whatever we passed string values to generate cloud, and a value as a how many times it repeated in its cloud. Okay, so if it is already exist, so whatever we are passing the string, if it is already present in the array, so it will increment its value by 1. Okay, so we are storing the words actual, the count of the words repeated in the array, and the index as the words, what are the strings we are passing. So word array, if already the word exists, array underscore key underscore exists, so the string with the given key. So index can also be even strings, not only the numbers. So if already the word exists, though increment the value by 1. Here dollar values default value is 1, so increment the value by 1. Else if the key is not exist, so this dot word array of word equal to value, so keep it as a 1 value. So by default keep it as 1. So return this array, return the dollar word, so return the count of that word. So this is a function for add word. So first this is the starting position. So we call the word cloud array. Whenever we call this array, it will call automatic calls a constructor. So show cloud, next method is a show cloud is a method. Next method called is show cloud. See here, show cloud, this is a method called next. So by explicitly we are telling to add hardware to be 5 times and music to be 12 times. So show cloud is the next method called. So this method is present here. Okay, show cloud. So first, in the first argument we are calling the method shuffle cloud. So shuffle cloud, here is the shuffle cloud function. Shuffle cloud dollar key is called array underscore keys. This method will return, this is a variable, this is a variable dollar keys declared, and array underscore keys is a method. This will return all the keys present in the array, so it will return all the strings, so all the strings to which we want to generate the cloud. So this will return the cloud. So shuffle of keys, this is a user defined function, but not inbuilt. Okay, sorry, this is a inbuilt function. Shuffle of the keys, dollar keys, it will randomly arranges the keys present in it. So we randomize the keys. So in order to not to generate the keys every time as the same order, we are shuffling the keys. So we are randomizing the keys. So in order to, so we shuffle the keys. Now we need to even shuffle the respective values. We just shuffle the keys, so we need to readjust. We shuffle the keys in the key array but not in a word array. So actual count is present in the word array, so word array need to be adjusted as same as in the order of keys. So count of keys, this method will return the size of the key array. This is a shuffle of keys, is a array of the keys. So count of keys, shuffled keys, count ampersand is underscore array. So if it is existing more than one key, it will check it is an array, whether it is an array. So if we return true if it is array. Okay, we are creating a temporary array. So temporary is equal to this dot word array. So you are storing the word array, entire word array to the temporary. So this dot word array, we redeclaring the words array. So equal to array. So for each dollar keys as dollar key. So this is a array. So till dollar key array completes, this dot word array of dollar value equal to temp array of value. So um, temporary contains our temporary array contains the word array values, word array, the what we call word array counts. So word array counts. So word array is the strings to which we want to generate the each individual counts, it we present in a temporary. So it checks first, it checks for the first first one. So dollar keys array contains the shuffled words. So we need to readjust the word array. So dollar key here, now dollar value contains the shuffled value, so shuffled index. So this value will be the index of the word array. So the keys value is the string value. The keys value is a string which the order of strings to which we want to shuffle, and this value will be the index of this for this word array. So word array, the first shuffled value may be whatever may be, it may be what we call Harvey, whatever maybe it is. So of that index, search for the value, search for the count of that value, and assign to the word array. So word array is now empty. Word array is new array. It contains null. So since we declared the word array, and temporary contains the values of the count. So we are assigning to respective values. So this is a shuffle cloud. This entire code is for shuffling. Randomizing the values